Hey guys, it's Michael here from Happy English. Today, we're going to take a look at part 5 in our series of using modal verbs. Today's lesson is had better. You had better watch this carefully. Had better means if you don't do that thing, something bad will happen. Imagine you wake up in the morning, you have a shower, you wash your hair, and then what does your mom say? Your mom says, "You had better dry your hair before you go outside. You'll catch a cold." You had better dry your hair before you go out. Otherwise, you're going to catch a cold. If you don't dry your hair before going out, something bad will happen. You've had a bad headache for 2 weeks? You had better see a doctor. You had better do all of your homework, otherwise you're not going to pass this course. You'll notice that in all of those examples, we've used had better followed by a base verb. You had better dry your hair. You had better see a doctor. You had better do your homework. So here's a point that I want you to be careful about. Sometimes people confuse had better and the phrase it's better to. I remember I used to have a boss and she always said to us, "You had better to finish your work by Friday." You had better to finish your work. But we can't and we don't use you had better to plus a verb. I think what happened was my ex-boss was confusing had better with the phrase it's better to. It's better to. We use it's better to when we make a suggestion. During the rush hour in New York City, it's better to take a subway than the bus. It's better to take a subway. That means taking a subway is better than taking a bus during the rush hour. So, please be careful about this point. Okay, that's it for today's lesson. In the next lesson, we're going to take a look at should and ought to. Well, how about you? Is there anything that you had better do? Why not leave a comment and let us know? Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Remember to leave your comment, and I'll catch you guys next time right here at Happy English. Catch you later.